What's up, Freeman fam? Welcome back to my channel. Hopefully, if you are a returning What's up, Freeman fam? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor, and if you are returning, then you see better camera footage, hopefully. I mean, I got a new camera, and I'm not playing anymore, okay? I'm coming for you. No, I'm just kidding. I am very, very excited about the quality footage that you are seeing right now. This is the first vlog that I have with my new camera, and I got the Canon G7X Mark II, and that probably doesn't mean anything to anybody else, but it means the world to me, that's for sure. But that's a lot of vloggers use this camera, and can I just tell you, like, looking in the viewfinder, I don't know if you can like see me looking in the viewfinder. I need to get a better habit of not doing that, but if you see me looking up, it's because like I'm looking at myself and dang, do I look good? No, I'm just kidding. I mean, I do, but like, no. I see the quality of this footage, and compared to my laptop, that's just what it says. So, I am very excited about my new camera. I have my ring light. I'm sure you can see that on my glasses. It's not my eyeballs. But that is my ring light. There's like 3 different settings. So I got this bad boy, and this bad boy. But anyway, you're not here to see me model today. You are here because it is my favorite day, your favorite day, everyone's favorite day of the month. And that is Bibbidi Day. Y'all, I am endlessly excited about this box. This is my first and probably only so far, I think, my first magic, ultimate magic, not extreme magic, ultimate magic box. And this is the Mac Daddy of the boxes. It's not the highest box. The highest box I think is the Ultimate Magic Plus. But this is the biggest subscription box, I think, and it is $119, and it is guaranteed that you will get a luxury item, or I think that's what they call them. But as you can see, this box is a little shaped differently than last month. Last month it was more rectangular. This one's more of like, you know, I don't know what size you would say this is, but I'm hoping that it's about Loungefly size. So I'm really hoping for a Loungefly mini backpack, or the Danielle Nicole Up backpack to be a little more specific. But I'm very excited right now. So without further ado, let's dig into this box. So I already took the plastic off, so you don't see me struggling with a knife this time. I struggled off camera. And hopefully I won't struggle too much with the, guys, I'm a pro. I don't know why I don't have more subscribers yet, because I just opened the flaps of this box seamlessly, I tell you. All right. All right, whoa, what is this? Okay, so right on top, first and foremost, let me show you my printer paper. So we have like a lavender paper this time. I don't remember what last month's was. I'll have to go back and watch, but oh, please don't fall down, little camera. This month I got a little folder. It's so cute. It's got Bibbidi's. Let's see if I can. Hopefully it's. Oh, why are you not zooming? You're a quality camera. What's wrong with you? Oh, there we go. Maybe you can see their logo. Their new Halloween logo. I'm getting used to all this, I'm sorry. So, I think Mama B did mine last month too. But this one was by Mama B, and the card says, "A little smile goes a long way. Remember, you're the one who can fill the world with sunshine." And then I have my packing slip, but I'm not gonna open that yet because I like surprises and I don't ruin things. I sound like I'm, you know, trying to point somebody out there, but I'm not, I assure you. Okay, this little cute, it's so, y'all, like, it's usually, last month mine was like foozles all the top, and it was like cushiony. This has no cushion. It's hard. Y'all, this box is filled to the gill. I don't know what's in it. I mean, that's the point, but. So I'm gonna take this little sticker off. It's not coming off. Come here. I'm gonna try not to look, but we'll see what happens. I feel leather. Okay, let me grab another thing first. Y'all, I need a y'all counter. My first, I was about to say you might want to turn down this video because I might yell. But I probably won't. Oh my God. I think I just saw. I'm gonna cry. So my first item is a Lillian & Co. This might not mean anything to you guys, but it sure, once again, means a lot to me. Lillian & Co. is a small shop, sort of. They're not like a licensed Disney product or shop, but they are Disney inspired. So they have like jewelry, really, really pretty jewelry pieces that are inspired by Disney movies or rides, Walt Disney quotes, things of that nature. And I have been wanting a Lillian & Co. so bad. So let's see which one I got. So I got this little, it's a bracelet. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. So I have a little bag, and it's like a felty bag. So it's not even like, it's not a cheap bag at all. That's a quality bag. And y'all, apparently it says one little spark. I can't. So we're gonna open this up. There's 3 different, can you see that? Yeah. Okay, so there's 3 different colors that you can get. You can get silver, rose gold, and gold. So let's see which one I got. Oh my God, rose gold. If y'all, I cannot wait to wear this in the parks. Stop it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And I have a small wrist, so like this is perfect. I don't have any problem putting it on. If you can see that, let me cover up my face. I'm about to fall over. Is it going to focus? I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there you go. It's so pretty. I'm gonna wear this all the time, and I can't wait to wear it in the parks. Oh, Epcot's my favorite park, so like they already hit the nail on the head. This is a wrapped something. Oh my gosh, it's a Wishes Candle Co. Another small shop item. I can't wait to tell you guys about this. So this is my first Wishes Candle Co. candle. Oh, my husband is gonna be so excited about this. This is the candle Fall in Rome. If you can see. Let it focus. Okay. And what is cool about Wishes candles is that when you open them, oh, this smells so good. If you've ever ridden the ride Spaceship Earth, my favorite ride, period, hands down, all Disney parks. What's your favorite ride, Taylor? Spaceship Earth. But if you have ever ridden that ride and you go through and pass Rome and it smells like Rome is burning, that is this. That's, oh, so good. It's got kind of a cinnamon tone to it too. I really like this. It's something that I would burn in my house without it being overpowering. Every Wishes Candle Co. candle comes with glitter on the top of it. So it's a pretty like brownish, orangish color glitter. And then every Wishes candle also comes with a hidden pin inside of it. So I don't know if they're authentic pins or not. I don't believe so, but they are tradable in the parks. And I think I see my little packet, like you can see I don't know if you can see right there. There's like a little bit of gold and silver down here, and that is the little pouch that it's in. So when I open, or when I finally get my pin, I'll have to show you guys which pin I got, but can't wait to burn it. I don't foresee there being another thing after this one thing in the box, because holy crap, it's real, guys. It is so real, and I am gonna cry. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty in person, y'all. This is the Danielle Nicole Up backpack that I cannot wait to bring to the parks. It is so perfect. Oh my gosh. Let me take the plastic off so I can show you guys everything. But this is the Up backpack that I've been wanting forever. So while I'm doing this, ooh, I'm struggling a little bit. We are going to the parks in January. We are staying at Pop Century. We are going to, we're gonna be in the parks for 7 days. We'll be sleeping at Pop Century for, I guess, 8, 9, maybe. We're gonna be there from the 9th to the 17th, but so the 9th when we get there, that is strictly for us to check in and get situated. We're driving, so it's gonna be quite a long day for us driving from Mississippi to Orlando. I think it's like an 8-hour and 50-minute drive, so I'm super pumped about the drive, honestly, because we never get to take road trips and stuff like that. Like, we took a road trip, I think in January. We went to, this past January, we went to Birmingham to visit some of our friends. We took a train though. We haven't really taken long drives, just us two, so I'm pretty excited for that. But we'll be spending 2 days at every park except for Animal Kingdom. So I really needed a backpack for our long trip and to be in the parks and not have such a big bag on me. Because right now I've been using, and I'm totally going to use this as a daily bag too. But lately I've been, let me show you what I've been using. So this is my daily backpack. And it's a Loungefly, but I mean, it's kind of large. And I'm not a student, I work. So I bring it every day to work though. So now I have this baby. Oh, it's so perfect. And then on the back, they have all of Russell's patches on the straps. Y'all, this is so perfect. And this Wilderness Explorers patch right here is embroidered. It's not like a vinyl or anything like that, so it's definitely not going to go anywhere. These are little bitty pockets. I could easily put like a memory card or something like that for my camera in that spot. And then once you open it up, there are 2 little snaps on the side if you need to have just a little bit of extra room. But you do have 2 side pockets right here. And then you also have a zip up pouch right there as well. And it's really deep. I mean, it goes probably down here. So that pouch is really big. And then of course the inside pouch is extremely bare. So you have a lot of room for activities. I cannot deal right now. I'm ecstatic. This was absolutely, I mean, obviously my favorite box so far. I loved my box last month, and this one's even better. So I can't I'm gonna be your typical basic girl and say I can't even right now, guys. So, oh, I just hit myself in the face. But it's gonna be so fun to like bring this everywhere with me and be my little wilderness explorer. I can't. So thank you guys once again for joining me and opening my box with me. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the little subscribe button down there, hit the bell notification, and it'll tell you anytime I upload a video if you want to watch me. And also hit the like button and comment to me, tell me what your favorite Pixar movie is. I'm so happy right now. Oh my gosh. I love you guys and I love this bag. Bye.